everyone, this is KM and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm very excited to announce that I am now officially part of the Kayako family. And this is a very special episode, or this is a very special day kasi I have just received a package from them. And today I will be doing my first ever unboxing video. And tingnan natin kung ano yung laman niya. And ito yung packaging niya. It comes in a red box. Kayako, Tagalog word siya. And this brand wants to empower all the Filipinas around the world, especially mga OFWs natin. Sobrang nakaka-proud lang na meron na palang brand na for Filipino women. So, nakakatuwa. And this is a limited edition watch na meron lang siyang 1,731. So, let's open it. And, ooh! Sobrang ganda niya. It looks very luxurious, classy. It elevates your style. So, ayan. Try natin. Ayan, ito siya. Diba? And you can even style it. Depende sa kung anong gusto nyong look. And it's very wearable. Pwede mo siyang i-mix and match sa clothes mo. And sa mag-accessorize ka lang. And actually, kahit walang accessory, it looks stunning. Wow! Another great thing about this is yung straps niya, quick release siya. So, tanggalin nyo lang to. You can change the strap. So, meron siyang 5 different colors. And you can mix and match it with your outfits. It also comes in classic silver. It uses Japanese quartz movement. Kaya very accurate yung time niya. And they are using genuine Italian leather. Makikita nyo dun sa likod, naka-engrave dyan. Genuine Italian leather. And the name of the brand, which is Kayako. And itong glass niya, it's thick. So you know that it's well made. Kapag in-order nyo to online, makakakuha pa kayo ng free strap. And they ship worldwide. Pero sa UAE, meron silang free shipping. And yung shipping nila sobrang bilis. So, ako personally, nakuha ko yung itong package after 4 days lang. So, mas mabilis pa siya kesa sa processing ng orders dito sa Pilipinas. This watch is not your ordinary watch. Kasi, this brand is for Filipinos talaga. Every detail means something. So, unahin natin tong second hand. Yung 8 sun rays, it represents the first 8 Philippine provinces to revolt against colonial rule. And then, as you can see, yung red marks na nasa hour and minute hands, that signifies blood spilled during the fight for independence. And then, ito namang nakikita nyo na naka-engrave sa tabi, yan yung itsura ng ginamit na bolo ni Generala to fight against the colonizers. Ito naman sa tabi, meron siyang blue crown, and that signifies freedom and peace. And then lastly, dito sa likod, makikita nyo dyan yung image ni Gabriela Silang dito sa case back, and it commemorates her great sacrifice and bravery. Diba? Ang ganda! I would also like to take this opportunity para i-express yung admiration ko towards our OFWs kasi alam naman natin kung gaano kahirap maging isang OFW or mag-abroad at malayo sa pamilya. So, maganda na may mga ganitong brands na gusto kang i-empower and will remind you na kaya mo to keep moving for your family's future or for your family's needs. So, sobrang grateful ako sa lahat ng mga OFWs natin kasi kaya nga sila tinawag na modern day heroes, diba? So, if you are an OFW, thank you. And this one is a perfect gift you can give yourself. Or if you know someone you think na deserving para sa mga ganitong bagay, you can also give this as a gift. So, this is perfect kasi it will remind them na, or it will make them feel empowered. So, if you guys want to know more about Kayako watches, please visit their website. It's Kayako.ph. And If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Karizza KM. And please click the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa next upload ko. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Thank you! Bye-bye!